It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host Ben. Now let's dive in. So Bitcoin still getting hung up at this 40,000 area. We need to see it break soon. If it can't break soon, then we're going to have a pullback. But you can see we have a bit of a triangle going on the chart here. And we're almost into the tip of this triangle. Now Bitcoin is currently under the 10-day moving average right there. But it looks like we've got about 8 hours. 8 to 16 hours that Bitcoin is either going to break out of the top of this, which means it'll get over 40,000 and should start holding. We could actually see a pretty strong pop because any move that comes out of this is going to be a strong move. Or we're going to see this drop down pretty hard, probably to 35,000. And as fast as it went up, possibly could be as fast as it goes down. So if you're swing trading, day trading, here over the next 8 to 16 hours, be very cautious in case this triangle cracks down to the bottom. Ethereum is still having trouble just breaking 2350 at the moment. That is pretty concerning. So it seems like Ethereum may be waiting on Bitcoin. If it doesn't break this 2350 and test 2400 here soon as well, then we're probably going to see a pullback on Ethereum. Maybe just back to the 50-day, but possibly back down to 2000. Now when you zoom back on the chart, this is a pretty clear double bottom on Ethereum. There's a good possibility that this is going to break out. The only thing that would stop it pretty much is if Bitcoin has a big pullback out of that triangle. Cardano still looking pretty decent. It's in this little downtrend here at the moment. Got to break over that downtrend, but holding right along the 10-day moving average. It looks like break of 130, we'll see Cardano back up to test that 140 here soon. If it doesn't break this downtrend, it'll continue to sell off and could crack that 50-day moving average and come back down to 120. But you can see the volume has been pretty consistent here over the past couple of days for Cardano. So if that continues, we should see a breakout. Today's top gainer is Scale. Scale finally getting a bounce off that 50-day back up to 25 cents. Very nice move there. It's got to break that 25 cents to continue to run. 25 cents we know is very strong resistance. You can see all the candles back here, right here, right here, right here, right here. That was all support, and now it's turned into new resistance. Because it's went straight up to 25 cents, I would expect a pullback maybe down to 24 for it to curl back around. Or it may even break through 25 like it did back here and move up to 27 and then have the pullback. So it may have 2 cents or a cent left in it before a pullback is coming. I would be a little surprised to see it just break straight through 25 after going straight up like this. So Band getting a little breakout out of this little downtrend here, a little bounce off of that 50-day. And this is one of my swing trades. Pop over here to Coinbase Pro. You can see I bought 37.5 Band right there at a price of around $5.33. So I'm up about 37 bucks on the swing. Nice to see that pop up. I'll probably hop out of here soon if it doesn't continue to push and just take that small swing trade profit there. StormX back up to 2 cents. It did have a quick little pop up there to 2.2, but riding around the 2 cent area right now, looking like it's trying to hold it as support, which is a good sign, but we do know that it likes to stay above 2 cents. Nice big U shape here, kind of a double bottom with the 2 U's there on StormX. CGLD finally breaking that downtrend up to 275. So now that CGLD is over that downtrend and breaking over the top of this kind of U-shape, V-shape thing here we got, if it can break through 275, I'd say we're going to see it back up to 3. Been making a nice move since it hit this low down here. Looks like it's building up for a nice breakout. There's a little triangle going on So we're not quite to the tip of the triangle yet. It could prematurely break, but it might just kind of dip back down to 265 again and then come back up to the tip and break out. But it could break out early. We'll see. CLV actually got a big pop, and I just sold out of this, and the big pop right after. So it is the 10-day moving average has now crossed the 50-day, and we're getting a little indecision candle right there. So it looks like it's going to try to hold the 10-day moving average, which means that CLV could be back bullish. So if it holds above the 10-day, expect more movement. See, Theta has held above the downtrend now, so this downtrend is broken. We're just kind of consolidating, looks like, which this does have pretty good volume going on, especially in the last 2 days. Big volume on this. Looks like it needs to break over 6. That's what's holding it up, is that $6 resistance right back cross through there. It was support, resistance through here, support again, and now acting as resistance. So break at $6, you can see a nice move come on Theta again. If it can't break 6, it's going to come back down to like this 550 area. Polygon MATIC still just holding $1. So it needs to bounce off of $1 soon, like I was saying yesterday, if it is going to move. If not, this is going to come back down under $1. See, volume has decreased here the past day, so we're not getting a ton of selling. All it needs is buying to come back in and push it up there. That move could be happening if Bitcoin breaks out tonight. So Filecoin yet to break out of this downtrend. And this one is a small swing that I've been holding. You can see I got 3 Filecoin there. Average price right around 49.5. And it's below 49.5 at the moment. Just riding down this downtrend. If this doesn't break this downtrend by tonight and break back over 50, I'm probably going to get out of Filecoin. Looks like it's trying to hold the 50-day moving average, but I don't like how it's just sliding right down this downtrend. Now looking at the watch list up here, separated by percent change, we've got some that are green, and then we got another half of the list that is red today. And let's see, that is including Bitcoin, but not Ethereum. So that is interesting. NMR, this one is very close to breaking out, coming back up again and testing this 38 area of resistance. If it can break that, that pop should be coming. Stock market hit a new high a day today, so it being stock market related, I would expect some type of pop out of it tonight. Polkadot finally climbed its way back up to the 15 area. Currently testing that 15 area, break of 15. Polkadot can move back up to 17, 18. And get back in this channel that it was kind of in back here before this most recent drop. If it gets rejected at 15 again, it may have a little dump down to 12.75 or something. Needs to break out here. A lot of altcoins are in patterns ready to break out. I'd say the only thing holding them back is a breakout on Bitcoin and Ethereum. If one of the two break out, then some of these altcoins will break out. If both Bitcoin and Ethereum break out, then all these altcoins with these breakout patterns should break out as well. Even the altcoins in the breakout patterns could get their patterns ruined. We know this crypto market can move very fast and change in the blink of an eye. Over the next 24 hours, be prepared for some big movement coming in the crypto market, either to the upside or the downside. But we've been consolidating for a while now. Most of these altcoins, Bitcoin's had a few days to consolidate in that triangle, about ready to break out one way or another. We're going to see some type of move here very soon. So if there's any coins that I'm not currently covering on a weekly basis that you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments down below and let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin and the overall crypto market and where it's going. If you haven't yet, go check out frameworkfortune.com, link in the description. We're building a big community on the website for stock trading, crypto trading, all types of different information related to trading. We'd love to have you come join the community. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.